Hello everyone, let's do some hairstyling. Grab a few strands of hair from the right side and split them into two equal parts and braid it, and how it attached to a strip of hair from the left. And how in strip of hair we bought it before, and how in braided, do the same braiding on the right side and combine them with the hairband. Grab a few strands of hair from the side and comb it and tie in the middle from the top section, and how a section of the hair from the left side and drop it inside the loop. Then how the tail we first created and how it split them into two equal parts, and do the same vice versa for the right side. Then after that, secure the end with the rubber band and decorate even more further by dropping a lovely hairpin on top of the rubber band. Tie in the middle of the rubber band and grab a section of the hair from the left right below the first one, then how it dropped into the own loop. Do the same for the right side and combine them together at the center over the first one with the rubber band. Then with every hair we have, how it is a ponytail, and drop in your favorite hairpin on top of the rubber bands. Split the tail into two equal parts and have the left tail combine to a strip of hair from the left. Do the same vice versa for the right side and have another strip of hair from the left side right below the first one and drop it inside the loop. Do the same on the right and combine them together with the rubber band. Grab your entire hair from behind and tie with the rubber band and create a gap using your finger. Drop the tail into it and how it split them into four equal parts, and how a rubber band attach the middle part, and how all the four tails combine together at the bottom with the rubber band, and move the tail inwards and how it go over the first rubber band we have and decorate with your lovely hairpin. Comb a few strands of hair from the left side and have a rubber band attach the middle and create a gap and drop the tail into it. Do the same on the right side and combine both the tails together with the rubber band at the middle. Then after that, grab a few strands of hair from the left side and drop it inside the loop we created. Do the same on the right and combine both the tails together at the center, right over the first one with the rubber band. Then you remember the first two rubber bands, right? Cut them out. Then after that, bring the tail to the front. Then we are done. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and have a rubber band attach the middle part and create a loop in the middle one. Drop the tail into it twice, then drop a very long hairpin in the middle of it. Then split the tail into two and have the left one combine to a strip of hair from the left side. Drop in your favorite hair cluster on top. Comb a few strands of hair from the left side on the top section and tie with the rubber band and create a gap and drop the tail into it. Do the same on the right side, combine them both with another rubber band and have the sides of the hair right below the first one, combine that with the rubber band, drop it inside to get a twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair, make a ponytail and split the tail into three equal parts and braid it in a thicker manner. Roll the braid to the top, then drop in your favorite hair cluster, decorating even more further. Grab the sides of your hair from the top section and comb it a little bit and tie in the middle of the rubber band and have a rubber band attach the top middle part and create a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it. Then have the entire back section of the hair come to the front, and after that tighten a little bit adjusting the loop and drop in your favorite hairpin. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and split the tail into two equal parts. Fold the braid from the bottom, making a lump, and secure with the rubber band. Then combine both the braids together at the bottom with the rubber band, making a heart in shape. Then after that, grab a section of the hair from the left side, split them into three equal parts, and braid it. Do the same braiding on the right side. Combine both the braids together over the first one with the rubber band. Then drop in your favorite hair cluster. Thank you everyone for watching this video.